Welcome to City Grilling. My name is Rob Vore. This episode, I'm gonna do a pork loin, but not just a pork loin. I am going to season it, and I'm gonna make a butter, honey, garlic glaze to put on this and to serve with it. So let's get started. I have a pork loin. I've trimmed some of the fat off of it already and dried it off with some paper towels. So what I wanna do is take some olive oil and I can just pour some of that on here. And I'm doing this in order for a couple things. I'm gonna pan sear it outside just briefly. And I also wanna get the seasoning to stick to it, right? So let me flip this over real quick, get the fat side on here. There's only about a tablespoon of oil here, so not a whole lot. Again, just enough to get it so the seasoning sticks to it. So I have a combination of some salt, chili powder, black pepper, onion and garlic powder on this. I'll have the recipe listed here underneath the video, of course. And you can also get it at citygrilling.com, right? Go ahead and flip that over, get the other side here. Oh yeah, boy, this is gonna be good, good, good. Let's go ahead and put this all around that pork loin, just like so. Get the sides there like that. Boy, this is gonna taste so good, I can tell. Love these new kind of recipes like this. All right, this is ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and get my grill ready and get this out there. Okay, I'm out at the grill. I've got my iron skillet ready to go. Plenty hot with about a tablespoon of oil in there, olive oil. I'm gonna, sear the pork loin like that. So I'm gonna hit all the sides here for about a minute, minute and a half. Get a little crispy, and then we'll stick it into the grill. Okay, I've rendered all the sides of the pork loin. It looks beautiful and it smells wonderful out here. So in my grill, I'm gonna go ahead and transfer this over into my grill. And I have it at 350 degrees. I have a pan at the bottom with some chicken stock in it just to help keep it tender as it cooks. It's kind of like I don't know how to call that, a broil almost as it cooks. So have that in there ready to go. I need to get the inside temperature to 145 degrees. Next step though is to make the sauce. So I want to put a little bit of sauce on here and baste it as it cooks, and some left over for when we get ready to eat it. So now with the rendering we had from that pork loin, I'm gonna do a stick of butter. I'm just gonna put that in there. I'm gonna let that melt, and then I'm gonna add in some garlic, some fresh, about six cloves of garlic that I minced up myself. I'm gonna put that in there to give a nice fragrance, and then we'll put in the rest of the sauce, right? All right, I have the butter melted, the garlic's in there. It's been about a minute simmering in here. Looks really good. So now I have my soy sauce, some honey, some rice wine vinegar. So I'm gonna put that in here, a little extra garlic too, some peppers in there. I'm gonna heat that up. I see some honey down here in the bottom of this. It's congealed a little bit. Let me get that out. Oh boy. I'm gonna heat that up, and then we'll get ready to sauce the pork loin. All right, I have my sauce ready to go. I actually added about 2 teaspoons of cornstarch to help give a little thickness to it, some body. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab some of this with my ladle here, and I'm gonna put it over, maybe just part of it. I'm gonna save some of that. Oh my goodness. Boy, doesn't that look good. Get some around here like that. And I can baste it just a bit here. And as it cooks, I'm on my wait about 15 minutes and baste it again. I might end up flipping this over too, and make sure I get the other side as well. So that's what it looks like right now, and it smells wonderful. Can't wait to dig into this meal. All right, it's been a couple hours on this pork loin. I've flipped it, I added some more of the sauce to it, and it's beautiful. It's ready to come out of the grill. I'm gonna take it into the kitchen, tin it up for about 15 minutes, and then get ready to eat it. Okay, I brought the pork tenderloin in. You know, I tended it for about 15 minutes, approximately. Went ahead and got it ready on the cutting board here. So let's slice into this. I know I probably cooked it a little bit longer than I wanted to, but that's okay. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna slice it down into kind of thinner slices here, just like so, and get ready to put on the sauce. Okay, I sliced up the pork loin. Now the best part, oh, this is it right here. The sauce, I've heated that up just to make sure it's nice and warm for us. Drizzle this on, oh, just like so. Oh, and it smells so good. I might leave a little bit left just for kind of a dipping sauce, if I want to say it like that, but just drizzle that on. Oh, get it all over that pork. Wow, just like that. Oh, that garlic. Oh, delicious, delicious, delicious. All right, I gotta try this. There's a little piece right here with some of this on it. Oh, wow. The sugar, the garlic, delicious. You have to try this recipe. It's very good. You can do it in the oven too. You don't have to do it on the grill. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and get the recipe at citygrilling.com. See you next time.